Hello everyone, I am Arun Kumar. Welcome you all to my YouTube video channel Softken Mitra. Today I have come with a new series of Python tutorial, and the agenda for today's discussion are what is Python, who are the corporates using Python nowadays, and what are the different use of Python. At the end of this discussion, I'll summarize why we should learn or use Python programming language. So let us move first with what is Python. Python is a general-purpose interpreted, interactive, object-oriented and high-level programming language developed by Guido van Rossum in year 1991. Python has been named after a famous British comedian show, Monty Python's Flying Circus. Friends, the philosophy behind the development of Python programming language was to make it beautiful, simple, easy to use, fast, and concentrate more on solution rather than syntax. That's why Python has become one of the most preferred programming language worldwide nowadays. Features of Python has been derived and inspired by many languages like ABC, C, C++, C Sharp, Java and Haskell. So let us see what are the different features of Python. First, Python is simple and easy to learn. Since Python has very few keywords, simple structure and clearly defined syntax that helps a student to quickly pick up the language. Python is easy to read. Instead of delimits like curly braces, here in Python we use indentation. The increase in indentation shows the nested statements, whereas the decrease in indentation shows the end of the block. Moreover, Python is interpreter, means the source code of Python is automatically compiled and processed at the runtime. That's why Python is considered to be 5 to 10 times faster than Java and 3 to 5 times faster than Haskell. Moreover, Python is interactive. Python program can be run in two modes, one in interactive mode and another in scriptive mode. So let us see some of the Python program in both interactive and scriptive mode, how you can run Python program. So this is the command prompt of Python, that is triple greater than sign. Here you can just write your command, just like calculator you can use Python, say 3 plus 5 and just press enter, it will give you the result 8. Or if you want to display a hello message, then you have to simply write print hello and just press enter. It will give you the output hello. You can imagine if you have to write the hello program in other language, how many line of codes you have to write. Now let us see how you can write Python program in scriptive mode. So let us take a new file and here just write Python program like print hello world and save this program with any file name, suppose test.py, and to run you can press F5 or choose run module. So here you can see hello world. Friends, now let us see how we use indentation in Python. Suppose I have to print hello world 5 times. So we can add a loop for x in range for x in range 1 to 6, and here is indentation and then the command print hello world. This will write hello worlds 5 times. So now let us save and run once again. So you can see here the output hello world 5 times. Now coming to the features. Next, Python is object-oriented programming technique where it implements the concept of object and class. Moreover, sometimes Python is considered to be a multi-programming technique because in Python we can easily integrate the program like C and Java, and it also supports the features of functional programming. Python is also considered to be a dynamic data type where we don't have to declare the types of data before use. Let us see how the Python is dynamic data type. Suppose A equals to 10, B equals to 5.5 and C equals to hello. And now write A and press enter. It will give the output 10. B will give the output 5.5 and C will give the output hello. Here you can see that A has been assigned an integer value, B has been assigned a floating point value and C has been assigned a string. So you can see here that before use the variable we don't have to declare the types of the variable. It is inferred at the runtime. Now Python supports the high level data structure. In Python you will get the data structure like list, dictionary, tuples and many more. High level data structure also helps in easily manipulate the vast or complex data. Next, Python has a broad standard of library to develop different types of Python program. Python is portable because Python can be executed on different hardware and software. Python is compatible with Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Mac operating system and many others. Last but not least, Python is extendable and scalable because we can easily integrate the low module of C, Java and other programming language with Python, and Python supports and provides features and a structure to develop large program. Friends, now let us see who are the corporates using Python nowadays. So you can see over here like Google, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Firefox, Yahoo Map, NASA, Reddit and many more are using Python nowadays. That's why Python has become the most demanding and highly paid programming language. As you can see in this graph that Python is growing very fast in last few years. Now let us see what are the different use of Python. Python can be used for web development, GUI application development, scientific and numeric computing development, and also Python can be used for game development as well as for artificial intelligence. There are different standard libraries like Django, Pyramid, Flask, Bottle for web development, and the libraries like tkinter, or it is also pronounced as kinter, wxvz, qt or pyqt, kiwi or opengl is used for GUI application development. And some of the important libraries or framework like SciPy, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib is used for scientific and numeric computing and also for data analysis. And for game development, we have a framework Pygame, which is used for the game development, and for artificial intelligence we have NLTK, which is also known as Natural Language Toolkit. Now friends, let us summarize why we should use or learn Python. Since Python is easy to learn and Python use indentation instead of delimits like curly braces, Python is dynamically typed and automatically compiled, and moreover Python has automatic garbage collection. Python is shorter than C++, Java and Haskell, and it is very easy to manipulate data with high level of data structure. It is fastest growing programming language in the world, and it is used by major corporate nowadays. Python provides largest job demand, and Python programmers or developers are highly paid. There are over 125,000 third-party Python libraries to deal with data. It is ideal programming language for data analysis. So friends, I hope this tutorial video will help you, and if you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also to like and share this video. Thank you very much.